Let's take a look at the Cuisinart air fryer versus the Amazon Smart Oven. And there's a couple of reasons to compare these. They have a lot of the same functions, even though this is technically an oven or microwave. This is technically an air fryer. You also have toasting functions in the air fryer. You've got an air frying function in the microwave. So let's compare the two together. The Amazon Smart Oven, again, it does have the microwave, and that's the main thing that I use this for personally. With the air fryer, it's designed primarily to be an air fryer, but it also makes a great toaster oven. So I would say I use the toasting functions more frequently on this Cuisinart air fryer. It's the first thing that comes up in the menu. And so I use that pretty often, and it works basically just like a traditional toaster oven. That said, the air frying in here works great for chicken nuggets. It works great even for tofu and that kind of thing. The air frying function on the Smart Oven, I don't find it works as well. I don't think the air circulation is really as good. And you also have to put in a special basket and tray and things, whereas for the microwave, it's just sort of good to go. So yes, you technically can air fry in the Amazon Smart Oven, but the Cuisinart air fryer, unsurprisingly does a much better job of it. The other thing I would say is that you can't toast in the Amazon Smart Oven. It has heating elements and things, but it's not set up to do that kind of convective heat, like putting heat right onto the thing. It circulates hot air around inside of there, but it does not sort of shine a heating element on there like this one does. It has heating elements in the top and the bottom in the Cuisinart air fryer here, so you can do that traditional toasting or broiling, roasting, that kind of thing. Overall, I would say if you want a toaster oven that has a really great air frying function, go with the Cuisinart. That's essentially what it is. If you want a microwave where you technically can air fry, but really the microwave is the main star of the show, then go with the Amazon Smart Oven.